What's up, fam? YouTube. This is just some test videos I'm shooting over the next month or so, maybe 2 months, so I can get some of the big critiques that really make a difference out the way. And as I do this, I'm going to narrow it down, start dropping some content, maybe try to gain a following. This SFJ Nation, that's Screwface John. And let's not forget my boy, No Life Shaq, along with Crypt, and my girl and her dad, Aaliyah's Precious Life. Those are YouTubers I want to shout out for now. And just, hey, I'm willing to do reactions to anything you want me to now. But remember, if you could bring me some diversity, that would be great. Because I love rap, I love R&B, but doing just rap ain't gonna cut it with me. I need to expand my musical knowledge, and I want to see what else is out there that I could probably, bring into my repertoire of songs and lists that will fit my different lists that I put together for people. So this is Screwface John. Boogie featuring Eminem, Rainy Days featuring Screwface John remix. No wonder people be messing up on his name. It's like a tongue twister when you try to say it fast. Anyway, here we go. Like Dwayne Johnson, he better rock with us. Better rock with us. Those are bars. Bars coming out the gate. I like his little microphone setup too. One thing I can say about Screw is that boy has impeccable talent. His wordplay, I'm a poet. I'm not a rapper, I'm a poet. I spit poetry. I call it a poetic flow when it gets a little rap sounding. But he's got this play with words that no matter who you are, your knowledge of rap or incidents in the world, it gets you to thinking on multiple levels. Not just that he meant it to have multiple meanings, but even if he didn't, it has multiple levels. And that's just, oh my God, that's just fantastic. I wish I had skills like that. He is slaying this beat. He is killing this. Like the hospital line, like that's some shit you could think about that'll be in like a movie, like somebody's hurt, they go into the hospital, but the doctor they need ain't there, they gotta call them up at home. We catching these, bro, we catching these. I'm sorry if the volume is messed up, like I said. I'm gonna get it all fixed in the next couple of months and start dropping real content after that. All right, let's go. Let's take that back a little bit. He said something about a piece of a flow. He said something about a piece of the flow. Let's take that back a little bit and find out what he said. I'm the best rapper, pussy, what you trying to do? Down a man down and need a piece of the just a piece of the flow. So stand down, bro. You probably trying with just a piece of the flow. So stand down a man down and need a piece of the flow. Cause I'm the best rapper, pussy, what you trying to do? The nigga that was supposed to I think he said, piece of the float. Stand down, man, down. You need a piece for it to float. Correct me if I'm wrong, because sometimes I just can't. My speaker I have right now has a lot of bass in it for some strange reason. I'm gonna have to find out where the fuck I put the damn thing at and fix that in my next video. But for right now, I'm just acting to a lot of screw face. This is my first vid again. This is Rainy Days. He said invite his bitch and his goons. We gonna ride with him too. Damn, like for real, bro? That's how you feel? Even his bitch? You gonna take his bitch out with him? Damn. I heard somebody else talking about this, but he has a unique harmonizing voice. I don't think they call it quite singing, but it's what the Disney books would call sing-songy. Like you're trying to get a tone out, but it's not exactly singing. It's just making sure you hit a certain frequency in your pitch that is pleasant to the ear, but not totally full out belting out words. Damn, he gonna end it like that? Hey, he just gonna end it with bitch like that? Hey, wait, dog. We gotta keep watching, see if he let the beat ride out, because the way it is now, it seems like he still got like close to 50 seconds left, 40, 50 seconds left. Oh, I forget he does these. I love this song. Everybody who knows Screwface John and Dax know they had their little beef thing. And even though I didn't like Dax's verse, because before it even became a little temporary beef, I heard the song. I was one of them people that called it off top. I heard the song and I was like, when he got to that part where he say 3 niggas and a goat on a random ass beat, I was like, who the fuck is he talking about? And me being the ignorant newcomer I am, I was like, is he talking about mumble rappers? Or is he talking about them? Like, he calling one of them not a goat. One of them a goat, the other 3 niggas, the other 3 just niggas. And then it dawned on me, 1 nigga and 3 goats. It's 4 of them. He's the goat and the other 3 niggas. And that shit just pissed me off, because I like Scru'd. Like, he's just cool. So yeah, I'm waiting on my thoughts about some other things in my next video, just for entertainment purposes and getting things like that off the ground. All right, peace.